Hello, everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will show you how to create a C# PDF viewer for Windows applications with ComPDFKit. Before starting, please check whether you have met these requirements. And click here to get a 30-day free license by clicking here. Then, let's start. Step 1. Create a new project. First, fire up Visual Studio 2022 and click Create a new project. Then, choose the WPF app and click Next. Next, set your project name and choose the location to store your program. Finally, click the Create button. Step 2. Add ComPDFKit to your project. Here, ComPDFKit supports two ways to complete it. First, open your project's solution, and in the Solution Explorer, right-click on References and click on the menu item Manage NuGet Packages. Then, install the package by clicking the Installs button in the panel on the right describing the package. Once done, you can see how the NuGet package is referenced in the References section in Solution Explorer. Open the ComPDFKit SDK package that you have extracted and go to the lib folder. Copy the x64 folder, x86 folder, compdfkit.net.dll file, and compdfkit viewer.dll file to the folder with the same name as your project that you created in 2.4.1. Then click the Show All Files button in the Solution Explorer menu. Find and right-click the files you added before, and choose Include in Project. To use the APIs of ComPDFKit PDF SDK in your project, follow the instructions and add them to Reference. Click Add and click Reference. Choose Browse option and click another Browse button in the bottom right corner, and navigate to the ComPDFKit demo folder which is in your project. Select compdfkit.net.dll and compdfkit viewer.dll, the dynamic library. Then, click OK. Right-click ComPDFKit native.dll and click Properties. Please note, make sure to set the property copy to output directory of ComPDFKit native.dll to copy if newer. Step 3. Display the PDF document. Copy the code from ComPDFKit documentation page to replace the content of the main window.xaml and main window.xaml.cs file. Apply the license key that you obtained. If you don't have it, please contact ComPDFKit to get it. Run the project and you will see the PDF file. That's all. Join ComPDFKit. Improving your application and user experience has never been easier.